This is a short video to show you how you can crochet around a small egg like this. It's got holes in it like this, and we're going to crochet around them. I'm using what I usually use to crochet with, and this is a latch hook. Okay, new method, and we're going to make bridges around this, around the side of this egg. First of all, you need to put your thread through a hole. You can use your hook to do this if you want, and then you tie it on like this with a simple knot. There, so that's tied on, and then you're going to hook into the same hole that you've tied it on with, and then close the latch behind and pull up a loop like that, and then hold on to your loop with your finger here. Hold on to that loop, and then you can make your first chain, and we're going to make a chain length of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a chain length of 5. We're going to hook into this next hole here. In we go. Collect the yarn from behind within the latch like that. Like that, can you see it? And then pull it through the hole and the loop on the hook. So you've just got the one loop there. And then you're going to make another chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to go into the next hole. In we go. Pick up the thread from the other side, pull it through, and pull it through the loop on the hook, and off we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these loops that we're making here, I call them bridges. These are the bridges here. Okay, and in between we've got a slip stitch and a chain length. So we've got a chain length, a slip stitch, a chain length, and a slip stitch. So we're going to go all the way around like that. And when you're controlling the loop on the hook, this is your finger that you do it with. I call it the busy finger. If you don't hold it with your finger, it goes all up and down and all over. So hold it there while you go into the next hole. Yarn over at the back. You can close the latch if you like. Pull it through the hole and the loop on the hook. There, and then we can go around again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are bridges. And we can start with bridges when we're learning to crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we can go all the way around. If you look on the other side, it looks like this. And that's just a simple way that you can decorate the egg. Okay. Right, I've gone all the way around now. And I'm coming back to the first bridge that we made. So we're going to hook under that one, there. And then pull it through both the bridge and the loop on the hook. If we just need to do one more chain length at the end, and then we can hook into this bridge here. Pull it through and make one chain. Put your scissors, cut your end off with your scissors there. Pull up the loop. And what you can do on the other side now is you've got two chain ends, and you can tie those together to finish it off. Like that. Don't pull it too tight. And make a a reef knot just to finish that off at the end. There we are. A reef knot is good because you can just cut the ends off without it coming undone. Push it through to the other side. There we are. There we are, we pushed it through to the other side. And that's how you can make a fancy edge to your egg. Here we are. That's a nice introduction on how to work bridges into holes and then to make a nice fancy edge to whatever you're making, just using the 2 stitches.